Another day, another car ride. I'm actually stuck. I've been stuck here for a while. I'm heading over to the studio, so I'm in downtown. And Sunny and I just finished doing our taxes this morning, and let me tell ya, I feel sick to my stomach. So if you didn't know, Sunny and I, we purchased a house last year, which is great. It's a huge milestone, and you know, we're proud of ourselves and stuff. But to do so, we had to take out some stock money and use up my savings, and yeah. So all of that is coming back to us. We have to pay the, what do you call it? The taxed amount that we took out from stocks, and my business too did so-so last year. Which I think it did pretty well for just the short amount of time that it's been open. So that too, I got taxed on, which was kind of high and I wasn't ready for. So yeah, I'm feeling a little bit stressed, but I'm also feeling like, okay, this is a real huge kick in the butt. I need to make more money, or else this is just not going to work. I'm gonna have to find a full-time job because there's no way I can I can do this. Making me want to cry a little bit, but I guess it's real life. Oh, I guess we can go now. Seems like they're shooting something. There's like a huge camera on top of this car over here, so that's the deal. It's already like 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I have so much to do. Okay, the great thing about being your own boss and doing freelance work is, you know, you get the flexibility of everything, but it's also when tax season comes along, it really is the most stressful because you try to deduct as much as you can. You should have a profit, but if you do have a profit, there's, you know, there's more that you owe. There's just so many things that go on top of it all, and again, I love being self-employed. I love having a small business. It's just when tax season comes along, it makes me feel a little nauseous. But I know in my gut and in my mind that everything is gonna be okay. Somehow we're gonna pay it off. And I really believe in my small business, so I think it's gonna be okay. No, I don't think. I know it's gonna be okay, and it's gonna do great. So I posted up on Upwork that I'm looking for help for someone to help me with the layout. Not layout. I already have the basic layout that I want for my catalog, but I'm looking for help just for some graphic help, I guess, so that I can do everything a lot faster. And I got 8 responses last night, so I need to check on those and see if I can reply and actually get that started. In the meantime, I also need to take photos from my catalog, so I was gonna do that tomorrow and actually hire my sister-in-law, but I told her I can't pay her, and she said she wouldn't be able to do it, so back to me! I am going to do it all myself tomorrow. I only have a few hours, so I don't think I'll be able to do it all tomorrow, but I have 3 that I really want to do is birthdays, lovey-dovey cards, sympathy cards, and I want to have it like pretty laid out, and then just some other little things. And also today, it's really important, I need to take photos of my Mother's Day cards because I want to post that up ASAP and hopefully get some orders through there. Mother's Day is coming up, you guys, and if you need a Mother's Day card, you should check out my site, because hopefully by the time this video's up, the cards will be up too. I hope. Just got to the studio. I was feeling a little bit unmotivated. I don't know if you can tell. So I went and got myself a boba. It's a good little pick-me-up. Yeah, just feels like you got punched in the gut. I know there's always ups and downs, and same with businesses, same with personal life, there's always ups and downs. But I think I'm a pretty positive person, so sometimes when there is a down, then it kind of just makes me want to stop for a minute, and that's how I'm feeling right now. So I was texting my husband, and he said that he would be able to help me shoot some product photos. So maybe I might just move that over to next week because I'll have more time. And then today I'll just try to shoot as many card photos as I can for Mother's Day. And yeah, I guess that'll be my day. I also need to ship out some orders, so let me do that real quick. Home, and on my way home my husband sends me a video on Marco Polo. If you guys know the app, it's instead of texting, you're basically sending videos to one another, and that's the way you talk to each other. So today's plan was to make pasta at home, but Everest decided he doesn't want pasta.
You want some pasta? You don't want pasta? Mom's making pasta. Oh, did you pass out? Oh.
No.
Oh, you're awake?
Pasta.
No pasta. Mama's making the pasta. You like to eat the pasta?
No pasta.
Okay.
That happened. You guys, it's the terrible twos. Out of nowhere, he'll be upset or happy. He's going through all these emotions, and he didn't want pasta. He was very firm about not wanting pasta, so we are going to have pizza. We picked up this frozen pizza from Gelson's or something. So it looks sort of fancy, and I like the packaging. Holy pepperoni, screamin' Sicilian. Look at that. It's open, there's a mustache. It's so funny. So yeah, we're gonna have this and some salad today. It's gonna be pretty simple. Guess who's home? And?
Me!
Family's the best. So I got a package today.
I'm excited.
And we are part of the Google Home family, and they have sent us a box. So I'm going to let Sunny open the box. You have the honors.
Thank you. I'll be taking over here.
So it says fragile, just like his heart.
Just like my heart. And I'm going to cut into it with a sharp object. It's $2 million. Oh my gosh. Just what we needed. Whoa, no, cool.
What is it? I want to see.
So we got some stuffing in here.
Oh.
So this is nice. It keeps everything packaged real
keep
good.
it in there. You've already
We got a couple like cards and things. One says Netflix on it. Meet the Google Home Mini. So there's a Google Home Mini in there somewhere. Whoa. Oh, it says, hey Google, play the Lost in Space game. So we need to try that out. Look.
What is that?
She's already listening. Our Google Home is already listening. What is this?
What is that?
I don't know. It's a thing. It's a blanket.
It's a blanket.
Yeah.
Wow.
Whoa, that's cool.
Thank you.
It's a Netflix Lost in Space blanket. It's like fuzzy on the other side. Look at that. You could definitely get lost in this blanket.
It looks so get lost in this blanket. Oh, it is so soft.
Look at that. Everest, what do you think, buddy? Here, feel the blanket. That's soft. He likes it.
He does
He's
like it.
Smiling. Okay, and then let's see what's in here. Google. He knows the Google sign.
He does.
He's very well versed in Google. Oh, cool. They got Google wrapping paper.
Love it.
Love it already. Whoa. Oh man. You know when you're being filmed doing something like this and you don't want to like screw it up, so you just whoa.
Netflix, Google. Hey, I want to
Guys,
save those stickers, so don't cut on the sticker.
This is Netflix and Google right here. We now have it in our hands. We are holding Netflix and Google.
Okay, open.
I'm just telling a story. Everest loves that blanket.
Yeah.
Boom! Whoa! We got a
Yay!
Google Home Mini and the Chromecast.
Fun!
Oh, we can cast things to our TV.
That's fun.
Fun. Okay, all right. We're gonna have to set these up.
I love Google Home Minis. Can I take it to my studio?
But we need it at our home.
Oh, I love it. Everest says I can take it. You like those little squigglies?
Yeah.
All right. Well, we love Google and Netflix, this is cool.
Thank you so much, Google. This is so sweet. I'm so excited. And I am really excited to see Lost in Space because I found out that my friend, Kiki, she is in it. She's one of the astronauts.
Yeah, I think she's on the...
Right?
She's in the ship.
When does it start? Lost in Space?
Look,
I think
Hey,
it starts
Google.
next week.
Hey Google, when does Lost in Space come on Netflix?
Sorry, I couldn't find
Couldn't help with that. Okay. Hey Google, when is the premiere of Lost in Space?
The first episode of Lost in Space will be on April 13th, 2018.
Hey, April 13th. Today is the 11th.
Yeah, this week.
This week! So, what did I do to my hair? It's 9:50. It's about 10 o'clock at night. Everest is asleep, and Sunny actually went out to go see that scary movie. I totally forgot what it's called, but everyone's raving about it and said it's really good, so he went to go check it out. I didn't want to see it. I don't do very well with scary movies. So, yeah, I'm alone, which means I can work. I'm gonna try to edit as many videos as I can while I watch some junk TV and just relax, because today has been sort of stressful, but it's gonna be okay. Yeah. I've been getting a lot of questions about Etsy things and just like any advice and stuff like that, so I'm thinking I might take a day from one of these vlogging days to do that. Yeah, and I also have been asked about like some makeup stuff, so I'm thinking maybe take a day to do that too. Yeah, if you have any ideas, let me know, and thank you guys so much for just watching the videos and things. Like I said before, the more that I post, the more subscribers I lose, which is very odd. Before it used to be different. The more I posted, the more people would subscribe, but I don't know anymore. All the algorithms for everything is just different from 2 years ago. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and for my Patreon peeps, I will be doing a podcast for you guys very, very soon, and I will have another freebie. I have an idea, so I'll have another freebie for you guys. Hopefully I can do that ASAP as well. Just give me a little bit of time. But yeah, and for everyone, I will see you tomorrow, so have a good night, and yeah, sweet dreams. Bye.